Hi, today our topic is a molecular orbital diagram of oxygen ions, especially O2 plus ion purpose molecular orbital diagram, okay, and O2 plus ion and O2 minus ion. Before going to this topic, you know very well, first plus nothing but it is a empty electron, okay, minus nothing but here extra electron. Okay, you must remember this concept. Here O2 plus ion nothing but here O2 is have one empty electron place, nothing but is already lose one electron. Loss of one electron is remember it is indicated with the plus charge. Okay, extra electron or gain of electron is indicated with the minus charge. Okay, so this is our topic today. O2 plus ion nothing but oxygen may lose its one electron. That time what is the molecular orbital diagram? Already in previous video we learned about oxygen ion molecular orbital diagram. See here like this. One side we had taken oxygen atom, another side also oxygen atom. Okay, so here 1s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2s2, 2p4, 2p4 and sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Okay, so this is the 1 2 2 1 formula. Okay, so 2pz square, okay, it is sigma pi 2px square pi 2py square, anti-bonding side pi star 2px1 pi star 2py y1 sigma star 2px. For it is what purpose? It is oxygen purpose, O2 purpose. Okay, so here we are learning first one is a O2 plus ion purpose. Okay, so already this topic is over in previous video. If you want see that video and you may clarify your doubts. Okay, in that video I explained more and more tricks also. Okay, so see here up to here it is same. Here oxygen atom, here O plus. Okay, so here one side is a oxygen atom, another side is a oxygen plus. Okay, nothing but one side single oxygen, another side electron lost oxygen. Okay, so see here it is also what is the electronic configuration. Okay, what is that 1s2 2s2. Okay, normal oxygen purpose what is that 2p4, but here it is for what purpose? Oxygen purpose. But here O plus purpose what is that? 1s2 2s2 2p3. According to this here 1s2 2s2 2p4 here 4 nothing but here what is that? 2p4 you write and you fill 4 electrons here. Okay, so like this it is for oxygen purpose like this. Next O plus purpose, here how many valency electrons? Here 2, here 3, here 2 filled, here 3, like this 1 1 1. Okay, next you have to fill the molecular orbitals. Okay, so what it is? It is sigma 2pz. It is what is that? Pi 2px. Next pi 2py. Here pi star 2px, pi star 2py. Next sigma star 2pz, right? So here we have to fill. Here how many electrons? 4. Here how many? 3. Total 7. Okay, so first sigma 2pz full with 2 electrons, so 2. Next remaining how many? Total 7. From this 7 2 are completed. Remaining how many? 2 completed, right? Here also electrons fill like this. Equal energy nothing but 1 1 filled. Next pairing. Here 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 electrons filling over. Next 1 electron, it may move this side. Okay, either you may fill in pi star 2px or pi star 2py. These two are have equal amount of energy. It is for what? Oxygen plus, okay, O2 plus ion purpose. O2 plus ion molecular orbital diagram. Okay. So according to this we have to write down the properties. Okay. So already I told them some tricks. What are those? If first bonded fields, next antibonding fields, next antibonding fields. Okay, according to this, first what we are filled? Bonding field. Next antibonding field, right? Next what is that? If single electrons are present, high spin. Here single electron is present, nothing but it may shows high spin. Okay, here single electrons are present, it may shows color. Okay, so here O2 plus ion showing single electron, nothing but O2 plus ion shows a color product. Okay, so it is a color product. Okay, here it is paramagnetic. Why? Because it have single electron. Okay, paired electrons, here paired electrons are not present. Okay, so single electrons are present, nothing but we have to take these properties. Okay, if single electrons are absent, we have to take paired. Single electron is present, due to that reason here we are not considering this third trick, right? Next, fourth one, bond order number equals to bonds number. Okay, so we have to calculate bond order here. See here, bond order calculation purpose, what we have to take NB minus Na by 2, right? So according to that, here NB equals to NB equals to Na, so it may be cancelled, right? So directly you may calculate here only. Okay, NB Na, otherwise your wish, it may be equal. Okay, so here NB, how many bonding electrons, how many? Here bonding molecular bonding orbitals, right? Here bonding orbitals, top side star containing is anti-bonding orbitals. These star containing anti-bonding orbitals, here Na. Okay, so it is downside. Okay, these are bonding orbitals. These bonding orbitals electrons number how many? Here 2 plus 2 plus 6. Okay, 6 minus Na, how many? 1 by 2, right? 6 minus 1 by 2, nothing but 5 by 2, nothing but 2.5. Bond order number equals to 2.5. Already we know very well bond order is equalized with the bonds number. So 2.5, how it is possible means two strong bonds are present like this. Okay, one is sigma bond, one is pi bond. Another one partial bonding like positive and negative. Okay, so it is nothing but 0.5. Okay, so this is about O2 plus ion molecular orbital diagram, and these are the properties, and it is bond order. Okay, bond order O2 plus purpose how much? 2.5. Next, O2 minus purpose. Here simply O2 minus purpose. Okay, so what is that? O2 minus, nothing but here we have to take one oxygen, another one oxygen O minus. Okay, here what is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here extra electron, oxygen nothing but atomic number how much? 8. Here also 8 atomic number, but one extra electron, so we have to add 1. Okay, so here 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Okay, so like this, here 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 one side like this. Okay, here 1s2, 2s2, 2p5 another side. Here where 2p5, that is O minus ion. Okay, here where 2p4, that is O ion. You remember like this. Okay, then you have to fill here electrons 1, 2, 3, extra 4 here. Okay, here also 1, 2, 3, remaining how many? 2. 1, 2, like this. Okay, this is for what purpose? O2 minus ion purpose. O2 minus ion purpose. Okay, so here 4 plus 5, total 9. According to that we have to fill the electrons here. 2 electrons, here 2, 2, total 6. Okay, from 9 here 6 are subtracted. Okay, remaining how many? 3. 3 may move anti-bonding side like this. Okay, so this is about O2 minus ion molecular orbital diagram. Okay, so again it is, what is that? Sigma 2p z square, here pi 2p x square, here pi 2p y square, here pi star 2p x square, here pi star 2p y power 1, it is sigma star 2p z 0. Okay, so same as it is O2 minus, like we have to, same as it is O2 plus, like we have to write the properties. Okay, see here, same, first bonding fluid, next anti-bonding, it is okay, it is first trick okay. Next, single electrons are present. If single electrons are present, single electron is present, nothing but here we are not considering paired, just based on single electron we have to write the properties. Okay, here O2 minus ion purpose, single electrons are present in molecular orbital diagram, either it may be bonding side or either it may be anti-bonding side. Okay, according to that we have to write down the properties. Okay, so what is that? Single electron present, single electron present, due to that reason which is present, color is present, nothing but O2 minus is colored product. Next it may shows paramagnetic property, right? Next we have to calculate the bond order, right? Okay, bond order equals to Nb minus Na by 2. Okay, so here if you see here, sigma 1 is 2, sigma star 1 is 2. Okay, here what we are doing? Nb minus Na. Okay, so both are cancelled. Here sigma, here also sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, both are cancelled. Just here we have to differentiate in these two only. Okay, here how many? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. Okay, bonding side 6, anti-bonding side 3. Okay, so 6 minus 3 by 2, nothing but 3 by 6 minus 3, nothing but how much? 3. 3 by 2, what is that? 1.5. Bond order is 1.5, nothing but in between oxygen and oxygen one bond is present, another one is partial one, another one partially positive, another partially negative, like that you might be imagine. Okay, so these are the properties for O2 minus ion, and this is the molecular orbital diagram for O2 minus ion. Okay, next one is here, next one we have to consider O2 plus ion. Okay, so O2 2 plus ion, nothing but oxygen may lose its 2 electrons. Okay, so one side we have to take 2p4 oxygen atom purpose. Okay, this is for oxygen atom purpose. This is oxygen will lose its 2 electrons. Due to that reason here I wrote 2 plus. Okay, it is 2p4. Here what is that? 2p2 only. Okay, here 4 electrons are present, here 2 electrons. Why? Because here 2 are already lost. Okay, so you write like this. Okay, so total how many? Here 4, here 2, total 4 plus 2 6. Okay, here you fill 6 electrons like this. Okay, so what it is? It is sigma 2pz2. Okay, it is pi 2px2, pi 2p y2, right? Anti-bonding side it is pi star 2px0. No electrons are present, nothing but here 0. It is pi star 2py 0, sigma star 2p z 0. Okay, so according to this we have to write down the properties, right? So first what we have to check, we have to check if single electrons are present. No, here there is no single electrons are present, nothing but we have to consider paired electrons. Paired electrons purpose, what is that? If paired electrons are present, colorless dia. Paired electrons are present. Okay, so due to that reason O2 2 plus is colorless. Okay, next it shows diamagnetic property. Okay, another one, what is that? Low spin showing, okay, molecule. Okay, next one is we have to calculate the bond order also. Bond order equals to Nb minus Na by 2, same as this. Okay, here 2 2 gets cancelled, here 2 2 may gets cancelled. Here bonding side 6 electrons, anti-bonding side no electrons, nothing but Nb equals to 6, Na equals to 0. You may directly write down this one also, this one only. Okay, 6 minus 0 by 2 equals to 6 by 2. Okay, so here 6 by 2 nothing but 2 1 ja 2 3 ja equals to 3. Bond order equals to 3, nothing but in between O and O2 plus maybe how many bonds present? Maybe 3 bonds are possibility. Okay, so this is about O2 plus ion properties, and this is the molecular orbital diagram. Okay, next we have to discuss one question. See here, this is the question. The bond length in O2, O2 plus, O2 minus species follow the order which is correct. Okay, so if you see here, already we find out O2 plus purpose bond order is 2.5, O2 purpose bond order is 2. Okay, O2 minus purpose 1.5. Here we are already calculated O2 2 plus also, that is 3, but here only O2 plus given. Okay, so one more information here, bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. Okay, you must remember this relation. It is also one trick like you write here. Okay, BO is inversely proportional to BL. Okay, if bond order increases, bond length decreases, nothing but bonds number increases, the length in between the atoms may be here. If it bond order increases, bond length decreases. Okay, here 2.5 to 1.5, bond order here decreasing, nothing but bond length is increases. Due to that reason here C is the correct option. Okay, see here once again, the bond length in O2, O2 plus, O2 minus species follow this order. According to which one? Bond order we decided. Okay, bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. Okay, so from O2 plus to O2 minus, bond order decreases, nothing but bond length increases. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so this is about oxygen ions molecular orbital diagram and properties, and this is the one practice question. It is very important question for intermediate and degree. Thank you. In next class we will learn about nitrogen ions molecular orbital diagrams. Okay, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Okay, thank you.